Hello guys, welcome to today's video. We will be going over the fall Walmart. Now this is like a season behind, so of course we will be getting the winter one in the spring. And this is a seasonal subscription, and you're only paying the shipping for $5, which is actually not too bad for Walmart Beauty. Now, let's see. One of the things that I got is a Solel Sensitive 3 Flexible Blade Bic Razor. Bic is really good, but yeah, don't get me wrong, I use men's because they're a lot more sharper and they last longer. And then I got a Degree Dry Spray Ultra Clear Black and White deodorant spray. We'll definitely give it a try. I've actually never used one of those. Now, if you guys aren't unfamiliar, Walmart is just pretty much these like general brands and some of the high brands sometimes. Jergens, for example, is kind of expensive if you're buying full. This is the lavender body butter, a calming lavender essential oil, and it's got the triple butter blend lotion. So we'll give that a try. I'm not a fan of lavender. Yeah. Yay, adding to my collection of masks. So this is Lala Fox by Honey and Nourishing. So it's just a daily skin mask for nourishing. And then we have a NYX lingerie professional makeup in Silk Indulgent. So we're going to swatch that real quick. So it is like this peachy nude color. Personally, that would probably be a little bit nude on me, and it's drying really quickly. It's a pretty much a liquid lipstick, I would assume, because it just says lip on it. But yeah, that is it for the Walmart Beauty. And then they give you like information sheets on some of the stuff and their products on certain things. So this is the NYX professional makeup, and then they have, sometimes they come with coupons. It just depends. Now I got the one in calming, and then they have one in rose and citrus. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you guys would like, give a thumbs up, comment down below, turn on notifications so you never miss out on a single video of mine, and make sure you subscribe. Thanks guys, bye.